In 1945, the victors of World War II, Western democracies and the Soviet Union, divided Europe between them. Struggles against communist rebels in Greece and the siege of the Western enclave in Berlin signalled a new European conflict, the Cold War. The Maoist victory in China and the outbreak of the Korean War took the struggle beyond Europe, while McCarthyism in the United States demonstrated that it was affecting public opinion even in the world's great democracies.
Are you a member of the Communist Party, or have you ever been a member of the Communist Party?
In 1961, the Berlin Wall went up, dividing Berlin, while in 1962, a US-Soviet standoff over missiles in Cuba brought the world to the brink of nuclear war. In Vietnam, a war between communists and Western-backed forces was to demonstrate the limits to US military might. Meanwhile, in 1968, Czechoslovakia rose against rigid communism, only to be crushed. In 1975, the Vietnam War ended in defeat for anti-communist forces. In the 1980s, Ronald Reagan brought a new harder line in US-Soviet relations, and Mikhail Gorbachev tried to reform communism with his glasnost policies.
We want friendship between our two people.
But once reform had begun, pressure for change proved unstoppable, and the Iron Curtain crumbled before the people it had once divided. The Cold War was over.